that he had to do that, you know. He was one of the all-time great home run hitters. Back to you.
Yeah, but I understand. I'm trying to think of a shortstop. He's probably one of the best played. Give me your opinion. Who is the best shortstop to play the game? Go ahead.
No, I really don't know, to be honest with you. I know the guy that the Phillies have, Jimmy Rollins, he can play shortstop pretty good. He's real good. He can get all over the whole field. But I don't know who would be the best, you know. The problem is finding some players from one type to the other type, you know, like today with somebody in the field. I think it's pretty hard. I don't remember Tony Kubek played shortstop if he played third base, you know. But I really can't think of who might be the best one. Back to you.
I can't think of his name, but he wasn't very tall, very big, but fast. Good Lord. Now you got me. Now you got my head spinning here. And like I said, I haven't watched baseball for a long time, but I enjoy this conversation because it goes back when baseball was baseball. Go ahead.
I gotta tell you, I'm such a baseball nut. I'll stay up like